Dear teachers, welcome to JSN English Learning. We are with um, William Shakespeare's play Othello, which is part of Unit 5 of the revised PGTRB syllabus. And what do we know about the play Othello? When was the play published, teachers?
1603.
It was written in 1603. And when was it published?
1622. Folio.
Okay, 1622 in a folio. Okay, quarto in a quarto edition. And what do you mean by quarto edition? It depends on the size of the paper. Okay, a folio edition which followed in 1623, which is a very famous folio edition, the first folio, called as the first folio, which was actually compiled by the colleagues of William Shakespeare. They were fellow actors, and those people, they collected and published certain plays of William Shakespeare. And now, what is the theme of Othello? Othello deals with racism. Then it deals with power, and it deals with what? Jealousy. The destructive power of jealousy. Jealousy is destructive. These are the major thematics. And the tragic flow of Othello. What is the tragic flow of Othello? Yeah, we said that is at one point of time it is called jealousy. Other point of time it is called gullibility. What do you mean by gullibility? Okay, gullibility means the very fact that you are allowing others to manipulate you. You are vulnerable enough to allow others to manipulate you. That is called gullibility. Trusting others without examining whether they are worthy of being trusted, whether they are good or bad. If they are good, you should trust. If they are bad, you should detest them. And Othello என்ன பண்றான், even when he is a great Moor, he does not analyze the character of Iago, who was a villain. Okay, now we are getting into Act 1. Act 1, what are the major things? And then on several occasions, we will get to know some important quotes there. Now, Act 1, Scene 1, what are the major happenings? We find that the play opens with Iago telling Roderigo. The main villain is telling the suitor of Desdemona that he hates Othello. The opening that he hates Othello because the reason given is Othello has promoted Cassio to his lieutenant instead of him. This is the major reason which is stated by Iago. Okay, reason why Iago hates Othello. It is a promotion. He was not promoted to the position of lieutenant. Yeah, and look at the claim that is made by Iago. He says that Cassio never set a squadron in the field and has very less experience. My age, I am a senior person and I have seen many wars. I have set the squadron in the field, that is field tactics. எல்லாமே எனக்கு தெரியும். ஆனா கேஷியோ கத்துக்குட்டி பையன், அவனுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? அவனை போய் என்னை விட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கம்மியான ஒருவனை என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், எனக்கு பதிலாக அவர் ப்ரொமோட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. அதனால he is hating. Who is hating Othello? Iago. Okay, very good. Teachers, just 1 minute. Is there any problem with right? So Iago was angry with Othello for a reason. அதுதான் நம்ம பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருந்தோம். ஏன் அந்த கோபம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, Othello, who is a Moor, who is a general, he has promoted a very young man, Cassio. And who is Cassio? We saw in the introduction, where is Cassio from?
Florence, young man.
He is from Florence, and he is a Florentine. Okay, Cassio is a Florentine. Let me put it that also so that you don't miss it. He is a Florentine young man. And this man is favored instead of Iago. What was the position that Iago was holding? He was holding the position of ensign. Am I right? We can also call it as ancient. And in modern text, in some commentaries, it is mentioned as flag bearer. Okay. So Iago feels hurt. And what is he going to say? He tells to Roderigo that he would follow Othello and will try to turn things against him. அப்போ தெளிவாகவே அவனுடைய அஜெண்டா இஸ் வெரி கிளியர். இயாகோவுடைய அஜெண்டா வந்து ரொம்ப கிளியரா இருக்கு. என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஐ வில் ஃபாலோ ஒத்தெல்லோ and I will try to be his friend. I will pretend to be his friend and I will bring down his fall. அதை சொல்லி முடிச்சுட்டு he tells to Roderigo that Desdemona has eloped away with Othello because he is very close with Othello. He knows everything about Othello's move. So he tells Roderigo, hey, I have a very bad news for you. What is the bad news? That the girl Desdemona has eloped with the Black Moor, that is Othello. And when Roderigo comes to know it, he becomes very angry. And then he is trying to cajole, Iago tries to cajole Roderigo, and then they are planning to do Othello harm. எப்படி சார் ஒத்தல்லோவுக்கு வந்து பிரச்சனை கொடுக்கறது அப்படின்னு பிளான் பண்ணும்போது இயாகோ சொல்றான், நம்ம போய் இவங்க ஓடி போன விஷயத்தை யாருக்கு இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும்? பிரபான்ஷியோவுக்கு இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவோம். Who is Brabantio?
Desdemona's father.
Desdemona's father. அப்ப Desdemona father ட்ட போய் midnightல they wake him up and they shout, okay, Brabantio, wake up, ho அப்படின்னு கத்திட்டு என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Your daughter has gone with Othello. And they also give an analogy of a black animal mating with a white animal. There comes a hint for racial tension. Black-skinned animal mating with a white-skinned ram. Okay, that is the description that you will find. And then you find that Iago makes Brabantio angry by describing, அதான் இங்க நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கோம், ஒத்தல்லோ என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு? Othello and Desdemona are having sex at that point of time because they are married, and the next thing after marriage is the honeymoon. So he is giving a very disturbing image, a sexual imagery, an animal imagery. And when the father hears this, he is very much disturbed because he is a senator. He holds a very important position. He had dreams about his daughter. ஆனா இவரு சொன்ன விஷயங்கள் என்னது? That a black Moor has married his beautiful daughter. அதனால அவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? He tells the two people to go and find the married couple, to apprehend Desdemona and the Moor. போய் அவங்கள புடிச்சு எங்க கொண்டு வாங்க? டியூக் உடைய கூட்டு வாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி he gives orders and they are going to execute the order. Did you get this information, teachers? இங்க வந்து இயாகோ வந்து Brabantio சொல்லிட்டு அடுத்த சீன்ல Iago goes to Othello and tells that Brabantio is very angry with you. And he says that Brabantio is trying to create trouble for you. இந்த பக்கமும் போய் பிரச்சனை கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு ஒத்தல்லோ கிட்ட போய் ரொம்ப நல்லவனாக சொல்றான். அப்போ ஒத்தல்லோ என்ன சொல்றான்? Okay, I am not at all worried. Let him do anything that he can and nothing can harm me. அதே நேரத்துல you have Cassio coming. Okay, Cassio coming with a message from the Duke to Othello telling that there is an accusation against Othello made to the Duke, and the Duke என்ன பண்றாரு? He is asking him to come and meet him. And the main aim of the Duke in calling Othello is not to speak about the marriage that he had with Desdemona, but there is another political problem which was the main preoccupation for the Duke. டியூக்குக்கு ஒரு பெரிய பிரச்சனை இருந்தது. என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, that there is war atmosphere in Cyprus. Cyprus is an island, and this island is a colony of Venice. And this Cyprus was a very important business center. அதனால தான் டர்க்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா, அந்த பிசினஸ் சென்டர் அட்டாக் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சாங்க. இட் வாஸ் த சென்டர் ஆஃப் அட்ராக்ஷன் தேர். பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற எல்லா கண்ட்ரீஸுக்குமே காமன் கிரவுண்ட் ஃபார் பிசினஸ், அண்ட் திஸ் வாஸ் அண்டர் த கண்ட்ரோல் ஆஃப் வெனிஸ். அதனால அந்த இடத்த அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும்னு யார் முயற்சி பண்ணாங்க? Who was planning to attack Cyprus? Turks. Turks were invading. They were invading Cyprus. When this information reaches the king, the Duke is disturbed, so he is calling. And at that point of time, you find that Othello is going, and he also knows that Brabantio is going to meet the Duke. அதனால அவர் போகும்போது தனியா போக வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லி Desdemona also goes, and we find that Brabantio and Roderigo, they arrive with soldiers. They arrest Othello with a charge. In a charge that Othello has used black magic to win the heart of Desdemona. அதனால அவர் அரெஸ்ட் பண்ணி என்ன பண்றாங்க? They are taking Othello to the court of Venice. And who is going to hear the case of Othello and Desdemona? Who is going to hear the case? Who is going to give judgment in that case?
The Duke.
The Duke of Venice. And the main accusation that is placed against Othello is that Brabantio tells, my daughter is a very innocent girl. Okay. And this fellow is a pagan, a non-believer, a man who is into the world of black magic. I think he has used black magic, and he has enticed my innocent daughter, and he has changed her mind using black magic. The சொன்னோன என்ன சொல்றாரு கிங்? You are accusing, let me also listen to Othello. அப்படின்னு சொன்னோன Othello tells very clearly that I never did anything to win the heart of Desdemona. Only thing that I did was, this man Brabantio was a very kind-hearted man. He invited me to his house, and I was there. And Desdemona was very interested in listening to tales of adventure. He was inquiring me about the hardships that I underwent. நான் வார் ஃபாரண்ட்ல எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டேன் அப்படின்னு அவங்க கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாங்க. And I explained to her the sufferings I underwent, and because of the sufferings, she sympathized with me, and that sympathy became love. இறக்கப்பட்டாங்க, அந்த இறக்கம் வந்து காதலாக மலர்ந்தது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. அதை நம்ப மறுக்கிறார் பிரபான்சியோ. ஆனா Desdemona speaks, and she says, this man did not do anything to win my heart. It was I who fell in love with him. அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் சொன்னோன்னே, பட் டியூக் என்ன பண்றாரு? he is advising Brabantio to accept things and proceed further in life. வேற வழி இல்லை, இதை வந்து அக்செப்ட் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். பிகாஸ் your daughter is a major, you need to accept her choice அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. அந்த நேரத்துல you find that there is information that war is about to happen. Okay, are you there, teachers? நம்ம அந்த அக்யூசேஷன்ல ஒரு சில டேர்ம்ஸ் மட்டும் நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Brabantio tells the Duke that Othello bewitched his daughter. The term bewitched is very important. Bewitched அப்படின்னா using magic, he mesmerized her. And what did Othello do according to Brabantio? He abused and stole his daughter and corrupted the daughter. Corruption here refers to the mingling of two races. She is a pure race, white race, and here is a black-skinned man who has mated with her. So there is a hint on racial tension in the play. Are you there, teachers? இன்னும் அப்படியே அந்த ஒத்தலோவுடைய டிஃபிகல்டிஸை பத்தி சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, அதை பத்தி ஒரு ஃப்ரேஸ் உங்களுக்கு வேணும்னா you can take this, that she loved me for the daggers I had passed. There were many daggers which pierced me during the many battles that I faced, and when I told it to her, she sympathized with me அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன். அப்படி சொல்லி முடிக்கும் பொழுது the king is asking Desdemona, what how do you decide அப்படிங்கும் போது அவ சொல்றா, இது வரைக்கும் I was the daughter of Brabantio, now I have decided to be the wife of Othello, so my duty is due only to Othello அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் பொழுது now comes a very important utterance by Brabantio. The case is dismissed and the king is asking Brabantio to get along. அந்த நேரத்துல அவரு இன்னொரு விஷயம் சொல்றாரு, என்ன அப்படின்னா, சைப்ரஸ்ல வார் நடக்குது, go to Cyprus, after that you can come and enjoy your life அப்படின்னு he is giving an order to Othello, and Othello readily agrees, and you find that Othello and Desdemona are about to move. அந்த நேரத்துல the father utters a statement which is going to damage the future of the girl. What is that utterance அப்படின்னா, this is the utterance. Okay, Brabantio, the father who is heartbroken, frustration உடைய பீக்ல இருக்கிறாரு. ஏன்னா இவ்வளவு நாள் கஷ்டப்பட்டு வளர்த்த பொண்ணு ரொம்ப கனவு பெரிய கோட்டை கட்டி வச்சிருந்தாரு. ஆனா அந்த பொண்ணு வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு, எனக்கு அப்பா வேணாம், எனக்கு என் காதலன் தான் வேணும், புதுசா தாலி கட்டினா அந்த கணவன் தான் வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒத்தலோ பின்னாடி போயிட்டதுனால என்ன சொல்றா, come on my dear young man Othello, okay, remember this, she has deceived her father. என்னை நம்ப வச்சு அப்பாவை கழுத்தறுத்து இருக்கிறா, உன்னையும் நம்ப வச்சு கழுத்தறுத்துருவா. Okay, she has changed loyalty from me to you. In future she may change her loyalty from you to somebody else, and here is a very important utterance. This utterance was deeply rooted in the mind of Othello, which was there in the subconscious mind. அந்த நேரத்துல அவனுக்கு ஒரு பெருசா படல, ஆனா அது எங்க போய் இந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் எங்க போய் ஸ்டோர் ஆயிடுச்சு? Where was it stored?
Subconscious mind.
Subconscious mind, and that which is stored in the subconscious mind at a later point of time in the play, when Othello starts suspecting, comes to his mind, and he actually patches many things together and comes to a conclusion that Desdemona has turned disloyal to him, and he has ocular proof which is provided by Othello later. Okay, அதற்கப்புறம் அவன் உடனே வந்து டெஸ்டிமோனா கூட்டிட்டு போனானா அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா இல்ல, he is a patriot, so he is a hired hand, he is now working for Venice, he loves Venice. அதனால என்ன பண்றான், I am going to Cyprus first, so he is entrusting the job of bringing Desdemona to Iago and Emilia. He particularly asked Othello and his wife Emilia to attend on Desdemona. Desdemonaவை என் செல்லத்தை பத்திரமா பார்த்து எங்க கூட்டிட்டு வாங்க, எங்க கூட்டி வர சொல்றாரு? Cyprus, because he is going to Cyprus. He is asking them to bring Desdemona safe to Cyprus, the island. ஐலண்டுக்கு சொல்லிட்டு நம்மால கிளம்புறாரு. இப்போ there is a small interaction that goes between Roderigo and Iago. என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, Iago is persuading Roderigo to follow him to Cyprus. நீ சைப்ரஸ்க்கு வா, எப்படியா இருந்தாலும் ஒத்தலோ மேல உள்ளது வந்து it is only a kind of attachment, it is not true love. Desdemona love on Othello is short-lived, it will not last for long. Maybe it's a kind of physical attraction, is very manly. அதனால she might have longed for physical pleasure, but she may lose interest in Othello because he is a black moor. கொஞ்ச நாள் அதெல்லாம் புளிச்சிருண்டா நீ, அதனால if you come to Cyprus, I will see to that I will get Desdemona for you அப்படின்னு ஒத்தல்லோ யாருக்கிட்ட சொல்றான்? ரொடரிகோ கிட்ட சொல்றான். அதே நேரத்துல என்ன சொல்றான், உன் பர்ஸை எம்டியா கொண்டு வந்துடாத, bring your purse filled so that you can fund me. I need a lot of money. If you give me money, I'll fetch Desdemona for you. அப்படின்னு சொல்றான். அது போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் you have a very famous aside. What is it called? Technically it is called aside. It's also aside இருக்கு, soliloquy இருக்கு. ஒரு அசைட்ல முன்னாடி இருந்த aside, இங்க soliloquy அவன் என்ன சொல்றான்? He is addressing the audience and he tells the audience that he is going to make Othello believe that Desdemona is having an affair with Cassio. And இதை எப்படி வந்து ஒத்தலோ கிட்ட கொண்டு போய் சேர்க்க போறாரு? That I'm going to get Cassio's place and I'm going to change the mind of Othello by double knavery. எப்படி பண்ண போறாரு? Using double knavery. Are you there, teachers? What is the meaning of knavery? Deceitful means. I'm going to use deceit. Deceit na enna? ஏமாத்து வேலை. I'm going to use deceit in order to win. Two deceits I'm going to do. One, I'm going to take the place of Cassio. I'm going to involve Cassio in my plot and I'm going to torture Othello because he has done me a great injustice. இது வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சதா டீச்சர்ஸ்? ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா?